Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, I hope everybody had a fantastic Christmas. Um, we've got a full day today and a full day tomorrow. So what I've got here is a daily chart of the ES, and essentially, we just keep heading higher. It's your typical slow grind up over the Christmas holiday. This is a continuation chart of the ES. The upper band comes in at 1835.40. So you'd really be looking at something today in the 1837 to 1840 level in order to breach that upper band to get you in a mindset of, are we riding the upper band or are we going to reverse at some point? And if we do break through the upper band, then the issue becomes, can we take out the prior day's low? So if we were to breach the band today, the low from the 24th is 1820 half, so about 10 handles below. And this is just one of those markets. We're in a serious uptrend, and you cannot start to look for things too early. We bounced off of the Fed decision, we ripped higher, and back here on December the 19th, when we tested the middle band and we held, at this moment the bears were basically cooked. And they've been cooked now for about 38 handles worth. So not a gigantic move higher, just very slow, but that's reflective of the time of year. Just slow and steady. The bears have put in maybe a decent 20 to 30 minutes at a time, but other than that, it's been all bulls. Okay, what I have here is a 15-minute chart, and I've only got a couple lines up here. It's here's your daily pivot at 1826.42. There's your upper band up here, 1835.40. What we saw on the 24th was down here about 21.5 was daily pivot for that day, and daily pivot was support. The prior day we had daily pivot support. So you've really got to understand that this market has been dipping to daily pivot and holding. Now, I didn't get a chance to do that tonight. We went up, or this morning rather. We opened at 6 a.m., immediately came up and made new highs, and we're drifting down a little lower. If we push down a little bit today, I would have my eyes on the daily pivot, 26.5, as an area where a morning dip may come in. We've been still getting morning dips. They've been basically in the same area, 10 to 10:30, 10 to 11 o'clock in the morning. You see in the sea of green, you see this red candle here. That was your morning dip. And it was, I hate to say anything was impossible to buy, but it was pretty close to, is as close to impossible to buy as you get. Everybody was expecting a little bit of a deeper dip to buy, something a little more identifiable, and it was just that little move lower, and then we never stopped. So we'll have to see if that dynamic continues today. So I'll have my eye on the 10 o'clock hour, 10 to 11 o'clock, to see what kind of a dip we can get. And if we can't, if we get a decent one that pops, that may be your best entry for intraday trades today. The other question I tend to get during these times is, are we ever going to pull back? Well, sure, we're going to pull back, but any pullback in earnest isn't going to happen until we get through the upper band, and we're just not there yet. We're riding, we had a little touch here in retrospect, but we've got to get through here for any meaningful pullback to go back down and test 1800 to the 1798 middle band. It's an uptrend in an uptrend, and it's over the holidays, and it's thin, and shorting this kind of market can be, very dangerous. You can get very early, and you can sit and wait for something that isn't going to come, and it will drain your account in the process. So do your best to avoid that. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow me on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Don't trade this stuff by yourself. We're looking at these bands. We're doing this stuff every day. We have volatility levels coming in, which have been very, very helpful. Our proprietary stuff during the day has done a very good job of identifying highs and lows. And, we'd love to meet you and see if we can help you with your trading. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.